Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share a very easy Filipino delicacy or kakanin, the palitaw. Palitaw is a sweet flat rice cake made of glutinous rice flour, grated coconut, sesame seeds, and sugar. Let's get cooking! We will need 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of water, half cup of sesame seeds, and half cup of white sugar. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a pan over medium heat, toast the sesame seeds for a few seconds until it becomes lightly brown and fragrant. After toasting, set it aside to cool. In a bowl, mix together the sugar and the toasted sesame seeds. Then, set this aside. In a medium bowl, add the glutinous rice flour and the water and mix them together. If your dough is too sticky, add a bit of glutinous rice flour until the right consistency is achieved. Now, using your clean hands, knead the dough until it becomes smooth. Then, scoop about a tablespoon of the dough and shape it into a ball. And flatten it. Transfer it into a parchment paper. Now, add the palitaw in a boiling water and cook it until it floats. Once it's already floating, you can now remove it from the pan. Then, coat it with a grated coconut. And transfer it into a serving plate. Now, top it with the sesame sugar mixture before serving. Here's our finished product! This palitaw is so good and delicious. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!